Today we're going to look at the Jet Motors Ultimate Suspension Upgrade. These are available at our website, jetmotorsmini.com, under the Jet Master Kits. So what is a Master Kit? A Master Kit is 37 years of my experience of building these cars, of what works and what doesn't work. So we try and include everything in the Master Kit you're gonna need to make it really easy. So what we've included in the Master Kit is the high-low adjustable trumpets, so you can adjust the suspension on all four corners. Now these are necessary because the new cones are really tall, and if you don't have adjustable suspension, you know it'll look like a 4x4, sticking way up there. So these are genuine Dr. Alex Molten cones. These Molten cones were designed by Dr. Alex Molten shortly before he died. Before he died, he redesigned this cone completely because there was two things that he discovered that these cones don't like, and that's age and heat. So how did he overcome that? Well, first of all, he redesigned the chemical makeup of the rubber itself to withstand more age and heat, and he redesigned the actual shape of the cone itself. They made these front specific and rear specific. So check this out. This is a rear cone, and this is a front cone. You can see the front cone is much taller than the rear. This is to accommodate the 333 pounds of engine and transmission up front. This is what used cone, most of the cones that come through our shop look like this. They're completely collapsed. They last between 7 to 10 years typically, and most of the cars are older than that, and they all have the original cones in them. So this is a huge upgrade. This really makes a difference in your Mini and how it handles. So what else do you get? You get the KYB oil-filled shocks. We can upgrade these to the gas if you prefer, but I found that these KYB oil-filled are fantastic. They work great and they last a long time. Also, you're gonna get the fully assembled, pre-assembled and ready to bolt on adjustable lower control arms and adjustable tie rods with the polyurethane bushings on both the tie rods and the lower control arms. This allows you to get the perfect camber and caster geometry in your Mini. And that's for the front end. So in the back end, you're gonna get these adjustable toe and camber brackets, okay? And these are really a sharp design because they have a chevron knurled tooth design, so you can move that pin on the lower or the rear swing arm to adjust the camber and toe. You want a little bit of toe in on the back and a little bit of toe out in the front, and these allow you to adjust that on the rear. Also, you're gonna get the cone compressor tool. We include the tool because you're gonna need to collapse the cone or squish the cone to get the new high-lows in, because you can get the old ones out because this is so collapsed. They usually, when you jack it up, and these can fall out, so it's not so bad. This is everything you could possibly need to set the caster, camber, and toe on the front of the Mini and the camber and toe on the rear of the Mini. We tried to make it as easy as possible. We completely included everything you're gonna need. We preset them to the factory length so you can just tweak them a little bit to get the adjustments you need, and that was easy. I mean, that's the way it's supposed to be, right? So again,
that was easy.
We try and make it easy for you, and it's real easy if you go to our website, jetmotorsmini.com. Look under the Jet Master Kits and you're gonna see everything you need.